Hello. In this video, we present the pharmacological mechanism at the molecular level of Omeprozole and Esomeprazole. It is important to mention that both Omeprozole and Esomeprazole are converted into their active forms in the acidic environment of the stomach's parietal cells. The active forms irreversibly inhibit the ATPase enzyme, also known as the proton pump. The mechanism begins with the protonation of nitrogen, 3 of the benzimidazole, due to the highly acidic pH of the parietal cells. This protonation is favored by electron-donating groups in position 5 of benzimidazole, such as the methoxy group. Next, we have the nucleophilic attack of the nitrogen from the pyridine, whose nucleophilicity is increased by electron-donating groups in the 4th position of the pyridine, such as the methoxy group, to form an unstable spiro-intermediate, possessing a quaternary carbon atom with high electron deficiency due to the proximity of the cationic nitrogen and the sulfoxide group to satisfy this electron deficiency. The electron pair located on this nitrogen atom is donated to the quaternary carbon atom, regenerating during the process the double bond that had been lost. Once the double bond is formed, the bond between the benzimidazole and the sulfoxide group is broken, and the oxygen from the sulfoxide group is protonated to become the sulfenic acid group. The sulfenic acid group can form a disulfur bond with a cysteine residue of the enzyme like cysteine, releasing in the process a molecule of water, and in this way, rendering the enzyme irreversibly inactivated. On the other hand, this nitrogen of the benzimidazole intramolecularly attacks the electron-deficient sulfur atom of the sulfenic acid group to generate a cyclic structure known as sulfenamide. The sulfur of the sulfenamide is also electron-deficient and has the same ability to form the disulfide bond with the cysteine residues of the enzyme. When this happens, the sulfenamide ring breaks, and the adduct formed with the enzyme is the same as that formed with the sulfenic acid derivative. Some practical consequences of the irreversible inhibition of the proton pump are that despite the short half-lives of Omeprozole and Esomeprazole, the effect of the drugs lasts much longer. Both enantiomers that make up Omeprozole are equally activated to form the same active compounds, derivatives of sulfenic acid and sulfenamide, that irreversibly inactivate the enzyme. Finally, we present the references that were useful to us in preparing this video. Thank you for your attention.